freak show on the deck. I'm not even sure what kind of freak show this is. I guess we'll call it a light bulb freak show. I don't really understand what happened here because the fan is on top of this table like this, and it was plugged in over here. I can understand the fan falling over, but how? No, actually the fan was like this. The fan was like that, and it fell forward. So the fan falls, but how the lights, why the lights become unplugged and break? That I don't understand. Well, this is the first. No, it's not even a failure. This is not of natural causes, but this is the first bulb we have to replace out here. It appeared to be something trying to live in there. Well, it's not going to work. We got a new bulb, and I bet that we're going to find the other two bulbs that fell still work. Yep, they do. Hey, these have been tough bulbs. These have been out here banging up against the railing a little bit when it's windy and all this stuff, and not one of them has gone out. And this one just fell and it still didn't go out. These are good bulbs. They're a good investment. Looks nicer, works nicer, it's more reliable, etc. If we should secure this differently now, if this is going to become a problem. It's been secured this way for years. I don't know why all of a sudden now it's a problem. It is. I'll strap it down for the next couple of days because it's supposed to be very windy tonight and tomorrow. Keep it up. This we can probably just put away for the year because it's winter now. And now we got to vacuum up the deck. that freak show is resolved, on to the next one.